you feel like you've been procrastinating maybe a little bit too much lately, well, let's get on the mat and start some poses to warm ourselves up. This video is definitely for you. So welcome to my porch, and my name is Monika. So you can start by sitting on your mat. Aya might be joining us for just a little bit, but she's got a short attention span for various things. So you can start with being on a malasana pose, so just having a block underneath you and then just gently pressing your legs out. So this is going to be all about you and your procrastination. I'm a really good procrastinator myself, so you might just be feeling the different kinks in your body. So we're just going to warm up the shoulders by just rotating them in and out. Rotating them in and out. Good. Just being aware that your body wants to move, your body wants to stretch. Now, you either spend a lot of day sitting or standing. Maybe you exercise in different ways, but your body still feels stuck. So when the body is stuck, it's really good. You can bring your knees in to undo the block from your hip. Just bring your legs out to a butterfly and just move your hips forward and back. You can go side to side and in a circle. So when the body feels stuck, usually our thoughts are also stuck. As the helicopter moves away from the sound, just keep rotating in and out. And when our thoughts are stuck, it's really good to listen to nature, listen to your surroundings. So maybe there is a helicopter in your view. So were you a little bit more agitated? Maybe you were clustered in your thoughts. And this big sound just brought you into the present state. And then you're going to take your right hand and just twist and lean over to the right, and switching sides. Just bring your weight like this, like it's calming down, getting pushed down to the left side. And then take your right hand, bring it over, and then switch sides. So by listening to your surroundings, and maybe you hear a bird or a meow or a dog bark or even a rooster, perhaps these are just all signs to get you out of your thoughts and into the present state. Especially if you're procrastinating, like scrolling on your phone or just, doing binge watching, and you hear these different sounds from the elements, you can massage your inner thought, your legs and your calves, just to warm them up. When you hear these sounds, they just are reminders that, hey, what are you doing? Are you being authentic? Stop procrastinating. Let's go do something. So let's bring our hands to the mat and your knees. Just move your hips side to side here again. Again, just warming up our body, because it's been a while since we've done yoga, since you've been procrastinating and I've been procrastinating. So move the hips side to side and just curl the toes and bring them into a down dog. And then pedal out the feet. Pedaling out the feet just means shifting your weight from one foot to the next, bringing the knee closer to the mat than the other one. And you should feel the stretch all the way up to your buttock, from the ankle to the buttock. Good. And then move your body forward to a plank, a nice high plank. So you want to ground your palms, lift through the chest, tuck your ribs, tuck your hips in. Really look up. You can shift your weight forward too by pressing on your toes. And then let's come down to a chaturanga, lifting up to a cobra, and just stay here for a few seconds. Let's breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. What do you smell? what you hear. Are you present? Or is your mind elsewhere? Where are you if you are elsewhere? Is it the past or the future? So take a deep inhale through the nose and exhale out. And then open your eyes and look around. Look at your hands. Look down to your mat. Look up to the sky. And really feel that you're here. You're here with me, practicing yoga. I'm on my porch. Where are you? Are you present? Let's bring your hands by your chest, curling the toes. Let's lift up again to the down dog. And let's lift the right leg up to the sky. And then bring it to the outside of the mat. And you're just going to shift your weight forward and back. Forward and back. Again, just waking up our body, waking up our procrastination. And then circle your hips counterclockwise and clockwise. And then shift again back and forward. And really hold on to the earth with your palms. But make sure you can still wiggle out your fingers. Your fingers are relaxed. It's just your palms that are engaged more fully. Good. And then from here, just come into a one-legged plank. Just getting that core activated. Really engage and lift up through the chest. Very good. And then bring your hands through, placing the left knee down. Let's do this again, shifting the weight back and forward, back and forward. Nice. And plant both hands, lifting up the back leg. Let's bring the right leg up to a one-legged down dog. And then just gently place it back to the floor. Pedal out those feet again. And let's shift your weight forward into a plank, coming down through the chaturanga, lifting up to that baby cobra. Good. And then look down to the ground, look up to the sky. Saying hello to the present moment. And bring your hands by your chest, lifting to the down dog. Pedaling out your feet. Let's lift the left leg up. We're gonna do the opposite side. So let's bring that left leg to the outside of the left side of the mat. Getting ourselves situated, adjusting your palms, and shift the weight back and forward, back and forward. You feel good? All right, let's keep going. So, as this is engaging, let's circle yourself to the left and to the right, counterclockwise and clockwise. Good, and let's go into that one-legged plank. So engage your core here, tuck your hips in, your ribs, engage through the back foot. Let's bring the left leg up. Really squeeze and lift through the chest. Lift even higher. Breathe for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the leg in between the hands. Dropping the back leg. And then shifting back and forward. You did it. And breathe, breathe, breathe. Noticing how your hip feels now. Noticing that your heart rate is up. And noticing that you're here in the present moment. Isn't it nice to be in our body? Our body is our home. And it's so easy to forget that it is our home and our responsibility to take care of it. but it feels really, really good when you do remember, especially when I remember. Okay, let's place your hands together, lift up to the one-legged dog, and gently place both feet onto the mat. Let's do a weighted down dog. So place your feet to the outside of the mat and press down. Noticing the difference here. You can move your hips to the left and to the right. Just very gently getting that mobility, that range of mobility better. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then gently drop the knees, bring the big toes together, resting here in a child's pose. In through the nose and out through the mouth. You can rest your forehead onto the ground. Really allowing the body to sink into the earth. Sink into the earth and feel Earth's energy. Feeling the support, the power, the balance, the mana, the love. You are here. I am enough. I am worthy. I am present. Inhale through the nose. Exhale out. Inhale through the nose. And exhale out. Really feel your breath. Really feel that you're in this moment. You got this. And let's shift our weight forward into a tabletop position. And then again, let's just shift the hips forward and back. Drop the belly into a cow and then round yourself in. And again, drop everything and round it all in. And then let's cross our legs and then sit on our butts. Bring the legs out. And then you're just going to grab your ankles and then your knees. Your ankles and your knees. And then as you're here, you can even bend your knees, lift them up, and then grab the back of your ankles. And then just slowly bend through the lower back. And then just rest here. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake out the legs and let's come down and bring our knees into the chest. Bring the head in. You can point your toes, just fully engaged. Then rock side to side, dropping the left leg and crossing over with the right. Maybe you feel a couple pops in your hips. If you do, hopefully it's a good pop. If it's not, perhaps go check it out. And then bring yourself back into center, hugging those knees again. Rocking side to side, dropping the right leg, and then dropping the left knee over. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and back to center. And then you're going to come into a savasana with a butterfly, and then bring your hands over the head. You got to move things away so that you could fully extend your body. And feeling into the present state. If you want to elongate your spine a little bit, just press onto the top of your quads. Feeling the expansion, the elongation of the torso. And then take your hands over the head again. Allowing yourself to surrender into this pose. Surrender into the moment. And thanking your procrastination. thanking your procrastination because it has led you to this moment right here in your body. You're present again. Procrastination isn't necessarily a negative. It's simply a reminder that you've been escaping the present state for too long. So inhale through the nose, exhale out. As you exhale, really sink further into the ground. Inhale and exhale. One last deep breath. Inhale, expand the belly. Exhale, release, surrender. So as you're laying here in these final moments that we have together, thank yourself for your procrastination. Now your body is open to the day. Your body is open to doing some more yoga. So check out some more yoga videos of mine. And your body is open to the present state. Welcome. Hello. We're all excited that you're back. The birds, the trees, the wind, the clouds, the dogs and the cats, the plants, the flowers. We are all excited that you're back. So you can roll over to one side. Come on up, slowly, gently, being mindful of your movement. And then placing your hands on your heart and really thanking the present state. I thank you too for being back. So be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.